Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to grow a vertical garden. This video will explore simple steps that you will need to follow to grow a vertical garden while saving space, so make sure you stick around for that. First, pick a location. It is important to know where you intend to have your vertical garden, whether indoors or outdoors. Pick a spot that receives enough sunlight and exposure to other elements necessary for your vertical garden success. Identify the right plants and growing medium. Not all plants can grow vertically. You should research and understand which plants would be suitable for a vertical garden. Additionally, select the correct growing medium since it will affect the drainage, water retention, and how often you need to water your plants. For inspiration, explore online for creative ways to display and house your plants. Pick the proper support. Also, knowing the climbing habits of your plants is necessary to pick the proper support for them. It is advisable to set up the support structure from the beginning to help the plant grow. Whether it is tunnels, trellises, or any other support, it is important to erect them from the beginning to prevent your plants from getting damaged. Have a watering system. It might be difficult to water plants in a vertical garden, especially those found high up. Setting up a watering system is necessary for their continued growth. Use self-watering planters or drip irrigation systems to guarantee hydration. Additionally, ensure the plants are fed with the right fertilizers for healthy growth. Ensure routine maintenance. Vertical gardens are easy to maintain but still need regular checkups and maintenance. Ensure you water, prune, and feed your plants. This will prevent pest problems and poor growth. Plant and monitor your garden. When everything is set up, pick a high-quality soil mix, add compost, then plant. Stand back and see the magic you have created. To keep your vertical garden looking as beautiful as it does, regularly water and use fertilizer on the plants. So, there you have it. Growing a vertical garden is that simple and ensures you save space. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.